Good Wednesday afternoon. I accidentally had my camera on time-lapse when I recorded the intro. Thanks for joining us again today. I'm Jay. I got back from my surgery. Everything's good. I had a growth taken off of my leg just to be safe. Still have stitches, so we're not doing too much yet. But I figured I'd give you an update on what's happening. Got lemongrass for a potential customer. Red habaneros. Eggplant, radishes, beans. None of those have come up yet. Daikon is looking a little bit happier. Carrots are looking mighty happy. Everything we transplanted is doing pretty well, or as well as expected. And we'll continue the little tour. Gonna try to do a little mowing today. We'll see if I start to get into pain or not. Sancho is looking mighty nice. Couple of garlics. Put in a couple of peppers here. We're supposed to get rain tomorrow, 90% chance. Had our first strawberry harvest. Those were delicious. Plenty more in there. Sage is looking beautiful. Loquat tree is doing pretty nice. And yeah, I want to thank you for watching today. Please give us a like, a subscribe, leave a comment if you enjoy this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you're interested in our products and want me to try to grow something for you here in Japan only, just let me know. Thanks again. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.